literacy rubric and how to use it on campus, understand the key performance indicators for Quarter 1, and understand regional support. Our vision for the Austin region is to make literacy our main priority. To do this, we have outlined a 3-year vision for how literacy will be the foundation for our schools and our scholars. In Year 1, we will be providing authentic literacy instruction by using the Wit and Wisdom curriculum with integrity. Students will read complex texts, write in response, and engage in discussion around those texts, and more importantly, learn comprehension reading skills, not in isolation, but embedded in great literature. In Year 2, we will focus on literacy across all content areas. And in Year 3, literacy full scale, in school and at home. In order to make this vision a reality, we have 3 criteria for success for this coming school year. They are 1. 100% of Austin classrooms are proficient on the literacy rubric. 2. As a region, we will make 1.5 years growth in academy and college prep in reading as measured by RenStar. And 3. As a region, we will have 90% of our 1st through 8th grade students becoming word masters and 30% becoming royal readers. To achieve our goal, we have the following key performance indicators to help track our data in Quarter 1. These are 100% of teachers will be rated proficient in the first portion of the rubric, reading complex texts. Our 1st through 8th grade scholars will be on track to have 90% earning word master and 30% earning royal reader. 100% of our CSI students will make a half-year growth in reading in October, as measured on RenStar. And we will be on track to retain 85% of our ELA teachers in the same role, with 10% moving to a promotion within IDEA. We must ensure that we are aligned as a region as we roll out this priority. This rubric will be used during classroom observations. The ratings will be given on scholar actions. However, teacher and leader actions are outlined as well. Each quarter will have a focus, starting with reading complex texts, moving to writing, and then text-based discussion. The Quarter 1 focus is reading complex texts. Let's break down the look-fors to be successful on this portion of the rubric. This look-fors checklist includes key pieces within intellectual preparation, lesson observations, and independent sustained silent reading. All parts are crucial. However, keep in mind that you may be working on a different piece of the checklist at different times throughout the quarter. There's also a space to add your own campus-specific look-fors. Regional support will be key to ensuring a strong rollout for this priority. ELA teachers will be receiving professional development support through self-paced modules, feedback, data tracking, exemplars, office hours, and lesson observations. Managers will receive modules, business partnership meetings, and co-observation times with the regional team. Interventionists will also receive support on how to work with ELA teachers to help close the gap for students in CSI reading. Bottom line, students deserve to be taught in a way that makes them lifelong learners. Using a knowledge-building curriculum with an emphasis on reading and writing with authentic texts will prepare them for AP courses, college, and beyond. Embracing Wit and Wisdom will ensure that students are given the opportunity to learn in a way that is aligned with the literacy vision. Next in this module, you will be able to review a document that covers anything related to the IDEA Austin Regional Literacy Priority. Keep in mind that this document will continue to be updated as the year progresses. Please take the rest of the time for this course to read through the document. You should also bookmark this document for easy access later. Then, take some time to answer some mastery questions about information you learned in this module. If after reading the document and taking this module you have any questions, please reach out to me, julie.siskolny@ideapublicschools.org, or by phone, 512-4...